In this video I'm going to replace my 2007 Toyota Tundra 4.7-liter AC compressor. The problem was that the AC clutch was locked up when I turn on the AC. This is how it was doing when turning on the AC.
So first, before you work on the AC compressor, be sure to disconnect this cable of the AC compressor before performing any work on the AC compressor. So always remove the cable first. So this is the cable that I remove. I need my two hands to remove the cable, so I have no way to recording the process, but this is before and after how you remove the cable. So this is the cable that connects to the AC compressor. So before I remove the AC compressor, I will have to remove the engine splash guard or skid plate underneath of the vehicle. So I have access to remove the serpentine belt. There are 5 bolts that hold the skid plate underneath of the vehicle, and also have 3 bolts that hold the bumper to the skid plate. So you will have to remove all these screws or bolts before you can lower the skid plate or remove the skid plate off the vehicle. Here is a looking up from the bottom of the hood up to the super thin belt, and that what you're seeing in there, that is the tension where you can use a 14-inch socket and socket wrench to loosen the tension, so you can remove the certain belt of the engine, so that you can remove the AC compressor of the engine. Okay, so before you can work on the AC compressor, you will have to jack the car and then remove the front driver side tires, so you have room to work on the AC compressor. So be sure you have a heavy duty jack to drag your truck, otherwise you may have issue doing that. You also need a jack stand to hold the car with the front jack to ensure security for safety. You can use the lug nut wrench to remove the tires, or you can use any wrench that super heavy duty to remove the tire nut, and then use the air gun for quickly removal of the lug nut. Okay, here I'm going to remove this bolt right here, and then one down here. These are the AC line, one right here, one right there. And then to remove the compressor, I have to remove this bolt back here. I don't know, you can see it right there. And also one right here, one right there, and then one down here. I don't know, you can see it's down here somewhere in here. So these are the bolts that I need to be removed. I don't know if I have hand to videotape while I'm removing, so let's stay tuned how I do it. Okay, now I'm going to remove this cable right here, I mean this bolt right here. So okay, that one and one down here. So I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna take down the camera, and then I'm going to remove this and remove that one, this one right here and down here, and then I'm gonna take out the AC compressor. Okay, I'm already took out the all the bolts. Now I am about to remove this compressor out of the place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this thing over this way. So let's see how I did it. Okay, here we go. Here is the old AC compressor. This is the one. Pull it out from there. And here is the new one. So I'm going to put the new one in, and after this it should be okay. I put the new AC compressor on it. I don't know if you can see it. So that is the new AC compressor. I finally got it done, and this is the new one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to replace the belt since I have changed the AC compressor. So I'm go ahead and change the super thin belt too, so everything should be all good to go. Okay, it's time to put the tires back on. Okay, so after you work on the tires or the disc, make sure you use a brake cleaner to clean the brake disc. Make sure no oil or no grease on the disc to make sure it's clean. Okay, so I finally found out that I need to make the car jack a little bit higher so I can push the tire in. And after that, I found out that I can use a block of wood and then use a plier to lift the tire a little bit higher so that I can insert the lug nut back on the tire. Okay, now I have replaced my AC compressor and filled up the Freon. So let's check the AC temperature and see what it is showing. Okay, it has 58. So sounds like it's going to be okay. Let me turn on AC on. Now try again. Okay, try again. 55. Okay. So when I run the AC, it is showing 55 Fahrenheit. Let's give a little bit of time, then try again and see how things goes. Okay, 52. Okay, as AC running, it's getting colder and colder now. Alright, so it is in AC in every circular mode. Okay, now try for the third time. After it running for a while, let's try again. Okay, 43. It gets colder and colder as the AC runs. Give me another 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll try again. Okay, let's try again. 41. Okay, I think my AC is back to work. It is running right now, so everything's all good. Job well done.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share.